Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer information with Salesforce step by step clearly. To protect your customer information with Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Quick Find box, type Profiles and select it from the results. Review the profiles listed to determine the access levels your users have. Click on the relevant profile to adjust user permissions as necessary. Limit access to sensitive customer information by unchecking unnecessary permissions. Next, type Sharing Settings in the Quick Find box and select it. Set up organization-wide default settings to control data access across the board. Consider establishing role hierarchies that align with your organizational structure. Navigate to fields in the Object Manager for critical objects like contacts or accounts. Ensure that sensitive fields are marked as read-only or hidden based on user needs. Now, turn to the auditing features by searching for Field History Tracking. Enable this. For enhanced security, set up login flows to control user access on login. Search for two-factor authentication in the Quick Find box. Enable this feature to add an extra layer of security for your users. Next, implement IP address restrictions if your team operates from specific locations. In the Quick Find box, search for Data Protection. Familiarize yourself with the tools and guidelines Salesforce provides for data protection. Schedule regular audits of user access to ensure compliance with your security policies. Lastly, document and train your team on best practices for data protection within Salesforce. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your customer information in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.